Next we are discussing problems. So problem is, if alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the complex slope of two lines on the argand plane, then prove that the lines are, there are two problems. First is perpendicular if alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 0, and second is parallel if alpha 1 equal to alpha 2. So this problem we have to solve. Now solution. So first, given is what alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the complex slope of two lines. Okay, suppose alpha 1 is z1 bar minus z2 bar divided by z1 minus z2, and alpha 2 is z3 bar minus z4 bar divided by z3 minus z4. Okay, these are the complex slope. Okay, so suppose line is this one. Okay, so here will be what, z2, and this will be z1. Okay, because slope is alpha 1. Okay, alpha 1 is what, z1 bar minus z2 bar divided by z1 minus z2. That means definitely there are 2 points, z1 and z2 lies on this line. And second is what, alpha 2. Alpha 2 is what, z3 bar minus z4 bar divided by z3 minus z4. Okay, that means z3 z4 lies on this line. Okay, and lines are perpendicular. So first we are solving first part. If lines are perpendicular, then this will come like that. Okay, so here will be what, z3, and this will be z4, and angle between these two lines what, 90 degree. This is given. Okay, angle between lines are 90 degree. Then we have to prove that alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 0. So for that, what you will do, we will use a rotation. Okay, so direction we will take toward z1 and z3. Now if you rotate this one with the 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, then we will get this one. So we are using rotation. So this is denominator and this is numerator. Okay, so how to write denominator? Denominator will be what, z1 minus z2, z1 minus z2, and numerator is what, z3 minus z4, z3 minus z4, equal to modulus of z3 minus z4 divided by modulus of z1 minus z2 into e power eta. We are rotating in anti-clockwise direction with the angle pi by 2. So what is e power eta pi by 2. अब हम क्या करें, यहाँ पर हम स्क्वायर करें दोनों तरफ, तो क्या आ जाएगा, z3 minus z4 divided by z1 minus z2 whole square, and in this side what will come, modulus of z3 minus z4 whole square, modulus of z3 minus z4 whole square divided by modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square, and e power eta pi by 2 whole square. So this will come what, e power eta pi. Okay, this will come. So what will come, z3 minus z4 whole square divided by z1 minus z2 whole square. Okay, for this one we will use property. We know that modulus of z square is what, z bar. So this property we will use here. So this one we can add what, z3 minus z4 into z3 bar minus z4 bar divided by, similarly denominator also will use same property. So what will come, z1 minus z2 into z1 bar minus z2 bar, and e power eta pi. E power eta is what, pi is what, cos pi plus eta sin pi. Sin pi is 0 and cos pi is what, minus 1. So this will come at minus 1. Now here this one is getting cancelled. Now z1 bar minus z2 bar we are taking in this side. So what will come, z1 bar minus z2 bar divided by z1 minus z2. Similarly z3 minus z4 we are taking in this side. So what will come, equal to minus of z3 bar minus z4 bar divided by z3 minus z4. You can see this is nothing but what, alpha 1, and this is nothing but what, alpha 2. So what will come, alpha 1 equal to minus alpha 2. So यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 0. Okay, that means if these two lines are perpendicular, then relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2 is what, alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is first part. Next we are discussing second part. Second part is what, parallel if alpha 1 equal to alpha 2. Okay, so first line is this one. Okay, so this is this line. So this point is what, z1, and this is z2. Second line is what, this one. Okay, so second line is what, this one, because both are parallel, so we are taking parallel line. So this point is what, z3, and this is z4. So you can see that here both are parallel, that means what, angle between both lines is what, 0. So if you use here rotation, so this is what, denominator, and this is what, numerator. Direction we are taking towards z3, and here we are taking towards z1. So what you write, denominator is z1 minus z2, and numerator is what, z3 minus z4 equal to modulus of z3 minus z4 divided by modulus of z1 minus z2 into e power eta. Angle is what, 0. Angle is 0 because both are parallel. Okay, now we are doing square. So what will come? z3 minus z4 divided by z1 minus z2 whole square equal to z3 minus z4 whole square modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square, and e power eta 0 is what, 1. So this is 1 only. Now here we are using properties of modulus. So this will come. Now here this is getting cancelled, and here also this is getting cancelled. So we'll get this equal to this one. So this is what, alpha 1, and this is equal to alpha 2. That's your proof.